Hello, good morning to all. In this class, we will going to discuss about the topic alkynes. These are unsaturated hydrocarbons with the general formula CnH2n minus 2. For example, C2H2 ethine, C3H4 propane, like that. Alkynes also exhibit electrophilic addition reaction but less reactive than alkenes because the dissociation of X electron cloud requires a more energy. In alkynes, position of triple bond is determined by ozons. So here is the one alkyne structure, that is HC. It should be triple bond CH. It will contains three sigma bonds, that is one from this side, one from this side, and one in between carbon carbon atom, and two pi bonds, and bond length is 120 picometer. In acetylene, HCCH bond angle is 180 degree. Next one is methods for the preparation of alkynes. First one is method from calcium carbide. On industrial scale, ethine is prepared by treating calcium carbide with the water. Calcium carbide is prepared by heating quicklime with a coke. Quicklime can be obtained by heating limestone. So here is calcium carbonate. That calcium carbonate, on heating, it will produces calcium oxide and a carbon dioxide. Further, that calcium oxide reacts with the carbon, it will produces calcium carbide and a carbon monoxide. That calcium carbide, upon reacted with a water molecule, it will produces calcium hydroxide and C2H2. So this is our alkyne complex. Second one is from vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides, on treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, undergo dehydrohalogenation. One molecule of hydrogen halide is eliminated to form alkynes halides, which on treated with the sodamide gives alkynes. So here is vicinal dihalide complex, means two halogen atom is attached to the adjacent carbon compound, then it will becomes vicinal dihalide. Upon reacted with alcoholic KOH, KBr and H2O, you will get this one intermediate product, after which on treated with NaNH2 with the liberation of NABr and NH3, you will get this alkyne complex. So these are two methods for the preparation of alkynes. Next one, physical properties of alkynes. The rest two members are gases, the first three members are gases, the next eight members are liquids, and the higher ones are solid. So first three members ಏನಿರ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, next eight members are liquid, and higher ones are solid in nature. They are all colorless and odorless with the exception of acetylene, which has a slightly garlic odor due to the presence of pH3 and H2S as a impurities, phosphine and H2S as a impurities. So it will produce some garlic odor. Alkynes are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like ethers, carbon tetrachloride and benzene. Melting point, boiling point and density increases with increase in molar mass. Next one is chemical properties. Alkynes show electrophilic as well as nucleophilic addition reaction. In that first one, acidic character of alkyne. Sodium metal and sodamide are strong bases. They react with ethine to form a sodium acetylide with the liberation of dihydrogen gas. These reactions have not been observed in case of ethene and ethane. Thus indicates that the ethine is acidic in nature in compared to ethene and ethane molecules. Here is a reaction, that is ethane molecule upon reacted with the sodium, it will produces monosodium acetylide with the liberation of EH2. That monosodium acetylide upon reacted with the sodium, it will produces disodium acetylides. And this is one more example, that is sodium propanide. This one propanide molecule upon reacted with NaNH2, it will produce a sodium propanide with the liberation of NH. These are all reactions that indicates that these alkyne molecules are acidic in nature. The acidity of alkynes is lesser than water. The acidic behavior is in the order, that is this one CH triple bond CH, that is ethane, which is more acidic than ethene, which one is more acidic than ethane complex. That is alkyne type of molecules are more acidic than alkene and alkane complex. Next one is electrophilic addition reactions. Alkynes containing triple bond, so they add up two molecules of dihydrogen, halogens, hydrogen halides, etc. The addition product formed depends upon the stability of vinylic cations. The addition on unsymmetrical alkynes takes place according to Markovnikov rules. Addition of dihydrogen, so this is alkyne molecule upon add this dihydrogen in presence of platinum, palladium or nickel as a catalyst, it will give propene molecule. Further, which on hydrolysis it will produce as a propane complex. This one is addition reaction in presence of a alkyne complex, that is addition of dihydrogen. Next one, addition of halogens, that is ethene complex. Upon adding this chlorine molecule, it will produces 1,2 dichloropropene. Further addition of this chlorine to this alkene type of complex, it will produces 1,1 2,2 tetrachloromethane, or Westron is a molecule. With the liberation of minus HCl, it will produces 1,2 trichloroethene complex. These are all addition of a halogens to a alkynes type. Next one is addition of hydrogen halides. So when you are adding hydrogen halides, that is HBr, HCl, so it will give corresponding product, that is this one is one alkyne type molecules, that is propyne molecule. Upon adding this HBr, it will produces 2 bromopropene. That 2 bromopropene, upon adding this HBr, it will produces 2,2 dibromopropane complex. Next one, addition of water. Like alkanes and alkenes, alkynes are also immiscible and do not react with the water. However, 1 molecules of water adds to alkynes on warming with the mercuric sulfate and a dilute sulfuric acid, it will form a carbonyl compound. So here is a reaction, that is propane upon adding H2O molecule in presence of Hg2 plus H plus acidic media at 333 Kelvin, it will produces an intermediate compound. So upon isomerization, here the isomerization will takes place, it will produces propanone as a molecule. So this one is addition of water to alkynes. Next one is polymerization. So in that, cyclic polymerization. In polymerization, two types will take place. One is a linear polymerization. So in case of linear polymerization, linear ethine molecule takes place to produce a polyacetylene or a polyethylene, which gives a higher molecular weight. So in linear polymerization, a linear chain linkage will take place. And in a cyclic polymerization, ethylene on passing through a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin undergoes cyclic polymerization. Their molecules polymerize to form a benzene, which is a starting molecule for the preparation of derivative of a benzene, dyes, drugs and a large number. So in this case the polymerization will takes place. Here we are having a ethane molecule, so this ethane molecule will undergo polymerization. So in a polymerization reaction, what happens here in ethane, there is a triple bond. One of the bond is sigma and two is a pi bond character. The pi electrons are movable, so the electron will move towards this center. After that, this electron will move towards and the neighboring center, so this arrow should be like this, okay. And after this when this electron is moved towards this center, this carbon becomes pentavalent. In that case, one of the electron is moved towards like this, so this cyclic process will take place. Finally it will give a benzene, or you can denote like this. So this is also benzene structure. So these are the some reactions of alkynes. Thank you.